to elevate your mind?
Do you want to take yourself to the next level of financial freedom? Visit secretsofrealestate.net.
Hey guys!
And welcome back to
Secrets of Real Estate.
Today we're talking about a story.
Yep.
We're doing story time.
Story time.
And that story time is going to be about me and how I started doing real estate.
Okay.
So I graduated from North Atlanta Performing Arts School where I started acting. And I had a little job. My dad, he got me my first car, so he was like, get a job so, you can put some gas in the car. So I was like, okay.
Yeah.
So I worked at DTLR. I was super excited about my job. Then at my job, I met this guy. I was in a relationship with him. And we were like in this, it was a high maintenance relationship. It gave me a lifestyle that I always wanted to keep kind of thing. So straight out of high school, I started doing real estate, following in my mom's footsteps. When I went to Georgia State, I was starting to do pre-med, and then I was like, I want to start making money right away. So I kind of turned to my mom. My mom, she always been on my back, like, get your real estate license. What are you doing? Like, your friend's over here, being a nurse.
I was teasing her all the time.
Like,
I was like, okay, look at your girlfriend. She's a nurse. What are you doing? And, she was like chasing the life. When that relationship, she was chasing a life, and I'll tell her, oh, look at your other girlfriend. She's working for a builder as a realtor. What are you doing? And I'll just tease her like that all the time. Like, you're doing nothing, okay? You're chasing after somebody else. Like,
yeah, I was like into somebody else's life, but yeah, it was just.
And I had to explain to her that that's that person's life and they have made it right now. That's not your life. That's not your own. I had to break that down to her.
Yeah, she definitely taught me how to be independent at an early age. She would just be like, go get your real estate license. And this was when I was 18. So I would monkey around for so long. Don't go get the license. Just playing around. And then I had a kid. Like at 22, and when he was 6 months, I was studying for my exam. Man, when I tell you this real estate test was the hardest test, and you got a screaming baby while you trying to study for this test. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I failed the test the first time.
Okay.
You want me to tell you why?
She was chasing the life again.
No, I was not doing that. I ran out of time. The real estate test is timed.
Yes.
So I was in there rereading the questions, trying to make sure I'm getting it right, and I ran out of time. So I failed the test the first time. But then I kept trying. I was like, I'm going to get this. I have to take care of my son, and I want to live this lifestyle, so I'm going to do it. So I passed the test.
Yeah.
And then, now remind you, I've already been still doing investments since I was, 18?
Because you don't have to have a license to be an investor.
Right.
She just wanted to take it to another level and become a realtor.
Yeah.
But you don't have to have a license to do what we're teaching you.
Exactly. So I went ahead and got my real estate license, and then I started working for a builder. I saved up my money and still buying property investments. And then, so COVID had came. I wanted to bring up this point real quick. Fast forward. COVID came. I have tenants that are on Section 8. During COVID, I was still getting paid.
Right. And not as a realtor, but as an investor.
Right.
Yeah.
So that's my real estate story and how I got started. And if you guys want to, start your real estate journey and investing in property, we have a real estate investing course on secretsofrealestate.net. I'm dropping that link down in the description box so you guys can go ahead and sign up.
Sign up now, guys. Elevate your mind.
All right, guys. See you next time.
Bye.